Yo. All right, hey guys. So I figured I'd make a little video. This is gonna be, not a long video. It's just kind of like a little. I'm just doing some little shit around my house, cleaning it up, and I don't know. I figured it'd be a good video. Show some of you guys, some of the stuff you gotta do when you buy a house, and just kind of like what I do when I get home from work, kind of shit, type beat, whatever. But I'm chipping this whole freaking thing up. This whole nasty chunk of asphalt that's here for some unknown reason, and I'm trying to find my sidewalk and the edge of the driveway here. You see, this is all like mud, leaves, and shit. I got a little sidewalk, I guess, right here and like there. So I'm trying to uncover all this, clean this up, and edge this up good. I gotta go all the way down there. As you can see, it's yeah. So I'm trying to clean up the driveway a little bit. Maybe my neighbors will hate me less for the crack whore that's upstairs getting evicted. But you can see I cleaned, I scraped this whole edge because there's crap. I shoveled that all out. I got a spot in the back where I have to do fill. So, yeah, this is all her little arts and crafts. Yep, because it's a house and it doesn't matter. So she can spray paint it if she wants, is what she told me. I swear to God. Those are her exact words. Clean this whole edge, this edge. It was covered. My house was vacant when I bought it for a year probably. So, it needed a lot of cleaning up. But did some of this last night before it got too dark. I mean, it's about to get dark again. That's the problem, getting home from work at 7 o'clock freaking night, But, it's my shit show, right? But, yeah. I'm not doing a whole time-lapse kind of thing. I was gonna, but I ain't going in that deep with this video. I'm low in storage on my iPhone as it is. But, yeah. So, I'll show you guys what it looks like after I scrape a little bit here. I'm gonna go to town till it gets dark, and, yeah. I'm trying to talk really fast while the wind's down, but it's windy as shit. So, this is what I got going, guys. Sorry, I don't know how the quality of this video is going to be, just because I kind of only have like 2 hours every day or less to work on this after work before I go to the gym. So it's just kind of hard, but I'm up to like here, kind of scraping back. I stopped peeling concrete, but I was peeling concrete up here, this asphalt. This stuff just peels right up, so probably peel this whole chunk out as I go. But for now, it looks like it was just a shitty patch they tried to do, because I've been peeling it up and it's just this other shitty asphalt underneath. So my guess is this is just one great big cheap shitty little patch job that they decided to do. And yeah, then they just never did anything else. It got covered in mud and shit. So yeah, that's what I got so far after day 2. Calling it a day because I gotta go to the gym now. But I'll get you guys tomorrow and see. We'll see what I get done on it. Hopefully I can get to like there. That's my goal, is to get this done. All right, I hear people, so I'm gonna run. Bye. What's this, day 2? Day 3? It might be day 3, to be honest with you. I forgot, but here's what we got so far, boys. Clean this up. Can't tell, but I scraped that whole freaking chunk of asphalt. I was like out to there, all the way down. Scrape that whole thing out. Gonna probably tear the whole sidewalk out shortly after this is done, but for now, that's what we got going on. Ooh. But yeah, so it's about where I'm at. The edge of my driveway is like here-ish, so I gotta clean it up to like there. And I gotta clean the sidewalk. Wow, I can't even talk. The sidewalk goes to like here, so I'm gonna clean all this up to there. And then yeah, probably tear this right out so I can put a driveway wrap around right. Fuck this shared driveway shit, dog. Try and make this quick, because I'm trying to eat these Dippin' Dots before they melt in my hand. So what we got, boys? Finito. I gotta do this whole section. I'm gonna rake that good, and dig it down. But I edged all this to stairs. Got this edge nice. That edge nice. Found my little sidewalk that goes out to this tree for no reason at all. But I'm peeling this whole sidewalk anyway, so it's like, whatever. Just had to unbury it. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I got the edge of the driveway right here. Today I'm gonna mow the lawn. Finally got this shit box out of here. Then dude tried to fucking say I owe money for it. That's crazy. Like, fuck you, man. Same with this one. Dude wants to be on some fuck shit with this one too. Like, fuck you, dude. No. So, yeah. But anyways, that ends this video. I'm gonna go do some yard work now, but looking good. Getting there. I need to wash this, or it needs to rain. Neither has happened yet. It's okay though. But yeah, so Next project. Boo.